GC America proudly announces the introduction of Fuji Filling LC, a next-generation glass ionomer restorative product that delivers superior bonding strength and high-quality aesthetics. Based on the highly regarded and successful Fuji 2LC, Fuji Filling LC takes resin-reinforced glass ionomer technology to the next level. Using the highly acclaimed paste pack delivery system first introduced with FujiSim and Fuji Lining LC, Fuji Filling LC delivers higher translucency, excellent radiopacity, and higher fluoride release in a formula that is easy to mix and dispense. For the first time, dentists can enjoy all the benefits of GC America's state-of-the-art resin-reinforced glass ionomer formulation in a convenient paste-paste delivery system. A radiopaque, light-cured, reinforced glass ionomer restorative, Fuji Filling LC is well suited for a variety of clinical indications. Excellent for Class 3 and 5 restorations in permanent teeth, especially for cervical erosions and abfractions, and Class 1, 3, and 5 restorations in deciduous teeth. It is ideally suited as a base for the sandwich technique, serving as a dentin substitute, and other cases in which a radiopaque restoration is required. Fuji Filling LC delivers excellent retention, marginal seal, and protection for the tooth. Quick to mix and easy to use, Fuji Filling LC's high fluoride release makes it ideal for all patients, including those found to have a high caries risk. Fuji Filling LC is the first visible light cured resin reinforced glass ionomer restorative cement that comes in a paste-paste formulation. This unique formula offers strong and stable adhesion with high bond strength and high biocompatibility, and delivers excellent handling, consistent results, and superior physical properties. Fuji Filling LC offers easy, reliable mixing with no powder scattering and no aeration, while the special paste pack dispenser minimizes waste by enabling dentists to dispense the exact amount needed for each case. Available in 6 different shades, Fuji Filling LC also comes with a special no-rinse conditioner called Fuji Self Conditioner that is specially formulated to work with light-cured resin-reinforced glass ionomer restorative materials. When used as directed, the self-conditioner more than doubles the bond strength of Fuji Filling LC to dentin and enamel to create a stronger, longer-lasting restoration. Application of the Fuji Filling LC restorative material is quick and easy. After selecting the proper shade, clean and dry the cavity. To dispense Fuji Filling LC, load the cartridge into the paste pack dispenser, ensuring that the arrow mark on the cartridge lines up with the arrow mark on the paste pack dispenser. Then, turn the cartridge fully to the right position. After loading the cartridge, slide the release lever forward until it stops. Make sure the cartridge is firmly set in the dispenser so the correct amount of paste will be dispensed. You are now ready to dispense the Fuji Filling LC material. To dispense the paste, remove the cartridge cover and depress the lever to dispense the required amounts of paste onto the mixing pad. Note that the finger grip can be moved forward or backward to change the quantity of material to be dispensed. When the lever is released after dispensing, residual pastes at the tips are automatically retracted into the cartridge. Dispense 1 or 2 drops of Fuji Self-Conditioner into the dispensing dish. GC recommends the use of Fuji Self-Conditioner because other conditioners, such as cavity conditioner or dentin conditioner, may result in inadequate bond strength. Apply a thin layer of the self-conditioner to the bonding surfaces using a disposable microtip applicator. Leave the conditioner undisturbed for 10 seconds and do not rinse. To remove excess moisture, dry by gently blowing with an oil-free air syringe for 5 seconds. Do not desiccate. After dispensing Fuji Filling LC, mix thoroughly for 10 seconds. being careful not to incorporate air bubbles into the material. Transfer the mixed Fuji Filling LC to the cavity using a suitable instrument or syringe tip, slightly overfilling the cavity. Immediately light cure the material with a visible light curing device for 20 seconds. If a cervical matrix is indicated, light cure directly through the matrix. Finally, finish with a finishing burr and polish with a fine disc underwater spray. For optimum aesthetics, coat the restoration with Fuji Coat LC. If you are restoring the tooth using the sandwich technique, clean and dry the cavity and apply the self-conditioner to the bonding surfaces. Leave undisturbed for 10 seconds. Do not rinse. Dry for 5 seconds. Then transfer the mixed Fuji Filling LC to the cavity using a suitable instrument or syringe tip. Fill to the appropriate level, as shown here to the dentin enamel junction. Light cure for 20 seconds. Apply the GC G-Bond adhesive system. Air thin and then light cure for 10 seconds. Apply composites such as Gradia and finish as you would for an aesthetic composite restoration. When clinical indications call for a glass ionomer restorative material as a dentin substitute, whether it's used as a base, commonly referred to as a sandwich technique, or as a full restorative, Fuji Filling LC's advanced glass ionomer technology, packaged in its innovative paste pack dispenser, offers superior adhesive strength and outstanding aesthetic properties. For strong, long-lasting restorations with beautiful results, choose Fuji Filling LC for your next generation aesthetic glass ionomer restorative needs.